Okay, what do you do when you're getting ready to start your making stage? Now, when I say making, I mean throwing out slabs, putting them together, getting on the wheel, and throwing big pots, cutting them open, putting them together, making all sorts of things. My making stage. Now, before I have my making stage, I gotta clean up from all my decorating stage. So you can see underglazes. There's glazes over there. It's a mess. I'm a little bit of the messy potter. So we're gonna clean. So what I want to do before I put everything away, what I try to do, and I'm doing it this time because you're watching me, I'm going through all my underglazes that I had problems with. You remember this brown? It was a disaster, and now it's not. It's beautiful. Oh, this is dirty, but I did this. I added water, mixed this up quite a bit, and then I shook it till the shaking was all shooken out of it. I want to talk to you about the different, now these are the same, this is Speedball, this is Speedball, they're the same. But this is a lot easier to rehabilitate and to fix than these. Look at that, it's really hard. This is only shaken. Unless you get a pasta jar, sometimes I'll do that, and I will pour this all into a pasta jar. And then I can use this. So anyway, let's go ahead, and I think I've gotten all of that done. And you saw me, I threw out everything that was just way beyond, and I need to reorder. Yeah, they're sitting in there on the ground. I gotta go pick them up and put them in the trash. Because I thought it was cool if I threw them. I thought it was cool. Let's get wedging. Sometimes you have clay that is not being recycled, it's brand new, but it's too hard to throw. This is a little too firm for me to throw. I'm a bit of an older woman and I've got delicate wrists. It's the only thing delicate on me, I'm sure. So what I do when I get a block of clay, brand new right out of the bag, you can see, I've got a dowel and I pushed it in. Now I don't want to go all the way down because I'm going to be filling these with water. I don't want the water to run through, I want it to stay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push it down to about right here, and I measure. You see I've got some space, maybe I'll pull it up. Right about there. That's how far down I'm going to be pushing these holes. I've already did 2. Checking my space, making sure I won't go down too far or not down far enough. Now I want you to look at what we have. This is perfect. I'm going to keep the bag on it. Sometimes I'll double bag it